Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Greetings to all of us. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Risha Salsabila Dwi Putri and I'm a student from class 63 to A39 at Binasarana Informatika. And my study number is 632510005 and my attendance number is 11. I will present on computers and hardware. I will explain the definition on computers, how computers work, generation of computer, the definition of hardware, types of hardware, and the function of hardware components. So, enjoy this video. What is computer? A computer is an electronic device used to receive, process, store, and display data into information. A computer operates based on instruction or programs provided by the user. The main function of a computer are data input, data processing, data storage, information output. For example, when we type using a keyboard, the computer processes the data and then displays it on the monitor. How computers work? Computers work through four main stages: input, processing, storage, and output. The first stage is input, where data is entered through an input device such as a keyboard or mouse. The second stage is processing, where data is processed by the CPU or processor, the brain of the computer. The third stage is storage, where data is temporarily stored in RAM or permanently stored on a storage medium. And the final stage is output, where the result of data processing are displayed through an output device such as a monitor or printer. So, all parts of a computer work together to ensure its proper use. Next, five generation of computers. The first generation used vacuum tubes. They were very large and required a lot of electricity. The second generation began using transistors, making computers smaller and faster. The third generation used integrated circuits or ICs, which improved computers' performance. The fourth generation used microprocessors, which are the basis of modern computers today. And the fifth generation evolved into AI technology, such as chatbots and smart systems that are widely used today. Next, what is hardware? Hardware is all the physical parts of a computer that can be seen and touched. Hardware function to support the computer's working process. Hardware is divided into several types, including the first is input device used to enter data. For example, keyboard, mouse, scanner, and microphone. The second is output device used to display results. For example, monitor, printer, and speaker. And last slide is hardware component function. The CPU processes data by at high speed. RAM stores data temporarily for faster access. The monitor displays the result or processing by the CPU. The keyboard enters text into the system. The mouse moves the pointer on the screen. And last one is the printer prints documents into paper. That concludes my presentation on computers and hardware. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye-bye.